customers' needs.
It's because, as far as my preference as a consumer of mobile phones is concerned, I think Chinese phones per se are very organic in nature. They keep changing according to the needs of the market, and especially the middle class of India, if you talk about specifically. Also, the way in which they come into a market is very transparent and very easy. Another thing that they always give you value for money. So tomorrow, if you have, let's say, when you talk about the Indian society per se, you would have a certain sense of brand consciousness. However, you also have a consciousness towards the value for money. And Chinese phones specifically, especially, I think, give you the best of it. So I think because of all these multiple reasons, Chinese phones are so prevalent and so popular in Indian market, and they're going to stay here.